So guys, not all eye creams treat dark eye circles. Here is how to choose the right eye cream. Dark circles can make your face look tired, so let's talk about eye creams and the ingredients that help improve the under eye area. Before we start, it is important to know that eye creams don't work like magic. What they do is to help improve the areas that you have dark eye circles gradually when you use correctly. This is So 1988 eye cream, which focus on hydration and skin comfort. It contains hyaluronic acid and soothing agents that helps to clear your under eye gradually. It helps to moisturize your under eye to look less noticeable. So the benefit of using this product is that it helps to fade the appearance of dark eye circle. So if you're having a dark eye circle, you need to pick one of these products. This is Dark Spots Corrector Glow Serum, which focuses on brightening. It contains ingredients such as niacinamide and antioxidant, which is commonly used to support a even more on the eye tone. Yes, so the benefit of using this product is that it helps to clear the appearance of dark eye circle correctly. Lastly is the CeraVe eye cream. This eye cream contains ceramides and hyaluronic acid, which helps to support the skin barrier. A healthy skin barrier helps the under eye look smoother and less dull over time. So guys, thanks for seeing my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.